Hi guys, and welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We're off on a bit of a wild camp, but with a twist. We were inspired by Andy's East Coast Adventures. He did a recent kayak fishing video, so it inspired me to get my fishing rods out. So we're going to go and have a fish on Shingle Street, put the tent up, have something to eat. Come and join us. If you're careful, you can get it in its mouth, and then you pop it out through between its eyes, and then you snag it into this.
Disgusting.
And you just keep doing that until. So now I've just got to find the end of this. So you just want to. It's like a really thin elastic, just so it takes somewhere around there.
And it makes the legs stick out. Is that the purpose of this?
Well, it helps keep it on the line, because it kind of tends to fall apart once you start defrosting it a little bit. You just basically just want to bond it up around its body so it stays on. Give it a load of good wraps, breaks off. It's not done. See how the legs all splayed out?
Yeah, cool. Remember, I'll zoom in, not you.
Sadly, with the guts, you just kind of have to loop it up. So what I tend to do is just under the tentacles, get it cinched up, and then run it down it. So you find the hook, try and gather it up with the bailing twine.
Gross.
Yep. Wait till it. homemade MREs.
Made by me.
Made by Mary. Beef ragout. Beef ragout homemade MREs.
Is it nice?
It was really good. Really good. Need to give it a bit of a mix.
Yeah, I got lots of well, I got quite a few good chunks of meat in there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Slow cooked ragu as well. Beef ragu with pasta.
Delicious. It's delicious.
Good. While James eats his MRE that I made, I'm going to have half of this Barcamando Cafe. If you watched my solo camp, you remember I had it then. It's really nice. I'll be honest, it's not as nice as I remember. But then last time I was on a really cold beach, Stone Point at Walton, so maybe that's why. Anything tastes great when you're in that weather. Bella. Hey, sleepy. She's like, oh, we've got a camera. I'm not interested. Yeah.
How about now?
Bella. What are your thoughts then on the Barcamando Cafe? Has like a cereal kind of twang to it.
It's very nice. Don't get me wrong. I can taste the coffee in it. It's all in the aftertaste, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got like little crunchy Rice Krispie bits in it. It's very nice.
It's nice. It's just not as nice as I remember.
So it's about 11:30. We're in a little red. We had our food. The tide's all the way out now, so I've packed it up. Set an alarm for I think like 4:20, so I can time lapse sunrise for you, and then I can fish a couple of hours in before packing up and heading out of here in the morning. Catch you then. Can't really see that. It's just 4:30. I'll put the camera out for you. Go back to sleep for a little while. Hopefully it's still standing in the morning. It's 26 now. Try to convince Mary to get up. Stunning little sunrise though. See the dog. It's pretty snory, but yeah, I'm awake, so. So we didn't catch anything. A lot of seaweed, and a lot of lost bait.
A lot of bad hair.
A lot of bad hair, yeah. Well, I washed mine yesterday.
So did I.
So thank you for joining us on this little weird fishing wild camp video. If you like what you saw, do get in the comments and let us know. If you feel inclined, click the subscribe button and the little bell so you know when we're making new videos. I think that's about all I've got to say. Bye.